Here is the fastest way to cook a whole chicken. This cooking technique, called spatchcocking or butterflying, can cut the cooking time in half. To spatchcock your chicken means removing the backbone, cutting it in half horizontally but not all the way, and then opening it like a book, laying it flat in the roasting tray. So, let me show you how it's done. Using scissors, remove the backbone. A sharp knife will also work, but kitchen shears make it so much more manageable. Also, cut the small ligament at the front of the chicken so you can make it perfectly flat. Now, flip it over, season it, put it on your roasting tray, and roast it in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 50 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. If you want to know how to cook a whole turkey much faster, check out my latest post. I have left the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.